So we're continuing on this 2014 Ford F-250 Super Duty Lariat. These are aftermarket headlights, but the turn signal bulb is still the OEM style, which is a 3157. And we're gonna be replacing those with our T-Series 3157 in amber and switchback, so you guys can see a comparison of how they look. So we're gonna get those flashed for you right now. You see right there, these are the halogen 3157s. Alright, and as you've seen, they have a dual function, so pretty much they work as parking lights, so they'll be on when all your lights are on, and they will turn into turn signals when activated as well, okay? So we're going to get these replaced and show you all the steps. Alright guys, so before we go and install these lights, I want to let you know that we have two styles of these T-Series 3157s. These are going to be the standard socket, so don't get the ones that say CK, okay, because those won't work. We got them in the switchback, which will be the white and amber, and then we got the pure ambers over there. Pretty much it's going to be amber just like the original bulbs. So we're going to install both of them and show you a comparison just so you know how they look. And at the end, we'll show you once again the final results, okay? So let's get this started. And we've already unbolted the actual headlight, okay? So it's usually 4 bolts that hold this. It'll be 10 millimeters. It'll be one right here, 2 on the side, and 1 on top. Once those are removed, the headlight just pops out like that, okay? And literally, it's going to be right here on the side, okay? So your turn signal is going to be this one right here with the brown plug. And all you're going to do is just counterclockwise to remove. Pops out like that. It's a 3157. I recommend use some gloves or microfiber cloths. Pull those out, put it on the side. Next, we're going to start off with the switchbacks. So you can get your bulb. These are polarity sensitive, so make sure you test them before you try to put everything back in. Make sure they actually light up. Can we please turn those parking lights on real quick? There you go. Today's my lucky day. Got them on the first try. Pretty much what would happen if you could turn off real quick. If you put these wrong, light them up, they would not turn on. You can kind of see here that all the parking lights are on because it's amber right here. But the actual light for the turn signal is not lighting up. So if I disconnect it while it's still on, flip it over and reconnect it again, there you go, okay? So that's one way to test it. Make sure you do this before you try to do a warranty, because most of the time it's gonna be this. Just turn them, take them out, flip them over, reconnect it again, and that should fix the issue. If you still do have issues with this, then just give us a call or contact your seller and get these replaced, okay? So at this point, you can reinstall. Okay, so you're gonna line it up in here. Just like that, lock it in place. Put your headlight back in its original position. Make sure all the tabs line up. Just like that. And that pretty much completes the installation. So we're gonna bring that to the front right now. I'm gonna turn off the lights just so you can see a comparison. All right, and as you can see, we got the switchback T3157 standard socket on the driver's side, and we got the halogen on the passenger side, okay? So we're gonna activate those turn signals now. Okay, it's gonna be super bright. And that's the hazards on. All right, so we're gonna flip this over just to show you the pattern it's producing. And there you have it. That's the T-Series 3157 in switchback mode. So the amber function is going to be much brighter than the stock halogen. At this moment, we got both the lights on in the hazards mode, and you can only notice the actual LED turn signal instead of the halogen. It gets engulfed pretty much. So we're gonna now install the other side and show you how it looks with both of them on, and we'll also show you the ambers. It's gonna be the same procedure, so we're not gonna show you when we do the installation for the ambers, so we can make this quick. So give us a moment, we'll get that done and show you how it looks. All right guys, so as you can see now, this is the final result. We got the switchbacks installed. This is the actual turn signal function right now. We got the amber, and as you can see on the passenger side, it's still white. So we're gonna switch it to the other side. It'll go back to white, as you can see on the driver's side. So guys, that's pretty much it. Just remember to bolt up everything else, put your grill back on, and you're pretty much done. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out.